I'm Noah Ben Jbara from Singularity Decision. Today I want to speak about superintelligence and its usage cases. Superintelligence is the kind of system that requires to be fed with data. And the first steps of its creation, this superintelligence needs to learn in a controlled environment through embodiment, and then there's knowledge, shared knowledge will be transferred to programs in your PC or computer in order to manipulate it. And then for your inventivity subjects and needs, it will require to gather data, experimentation data, in order to go further and to create things, knowing that the designing process and the inventiveness, this inventing process requires it's not a linear process in a way that it's more than a V process where there is a go and return from the specification, from the needs to the persons who create, or the superintelligence that create this creation. So this requires a cooperation between the superintelligence and the person on who will use it, and a kind of mastering of different kind of engineering skills in order to know how to exchange with it and to speak with it in a way to respond and to look for the experimentation data that it needs in order to validate some aspects of the design. And we will see in the future, after this super AI happens, thanks to our efforts, if the inventors come out with us, and the efforts of the research community, we hope so that we will cooperate and collaborate with many partners in order to make it happen. So when you gather this data, experimentation data, you will find that some companies will structure themselves in a way, in business to business relationship, in order to, for instance, in physics, have, for example, there is CERN who was making the sort of the experimentation in order to see the particle, or that collision of particles and everything, to see what we can what are the things that we didn't see, and to explain the creation of universe. So we will need such type of experimentation in biology in different fields, and there are companies which are going to specialize in gathering those data, for experimenting data for the common for the common benefit of all people, and especially for the other business who are more integrated in the economic network, who have production capacity, and who can transform this innovation into something which is more rapidly fabricated. And also we will see a profilation of the assembly, the sub-assemblies, in a way that you invent things, you look for thanks to this machine, this super intelligence, and then you have this this sort of guide that help you to create what you want to create. And you will look for raw materials, and we will gather it thanks to this new kind of companies who are specializing in bringing you what's required. And I think also perhaps we will see shared factories of production in order to help like the fab labs, but in a big size, to help the population make and transfer the creation into when the number of person who use this technology will get bigger and bigger. So engineering will be best tomorrow, and things that we think that are not possible will be possible, and even we will get a different look for biology, in a way that biology will become the source of our knowledge. We will crack the code of DNA and the this from cell which evolved to get different types of cells, the cycle life of which kind of difficult this cycle life from a cell to another kind of cell, and then to function to respond to needs. Well, I hope we will break the code, and we'll know how to differentiate ourselves and make us well adapted to other environments in this universe. And that's it. That's part of what I want to say. Thank you a lot. If you are interested in super intelligence, like and contact me to invest in this, in what you are doing. And thank you a lot. Thank you a lot.